Hi, hello everyone, and welcome back to this channel. This is a Peeper Ride with our Z Takeover. And of course, sa lahat ng mga nakasubaybay sa ating Friends Rhythm reaction video, maraming salamat po. And this time with another reaction video, but before tayo mag-react with another request, reaction video. Oo, alam ko yan. Hinintay niyo to. Okay, but let me read your some comments to Yu Hong Lao. Waiting again, Ma'am Karen. Galing nila talaga. Friends, read them. Pan lang malakas. With Armando Osena. Good afternoon po, idol, watching from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Hello to all the viewers of Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Hello po, mega love shout out to all of you there. Hello. Sana'y safe po kayo dyan. And so, din na si Garcia, by si Madam Karen, mag-react lalo gumanda yung tugtugan ng Franz Rhythm. Grabe naman talaga yung ganun talaga ni Prudence, eh. Parang anong gusto mo? Tiyan. Hi, Leo Privado. Hi, Ma'am Ganda. Hello. Shoutout ng bongga sa'yo dyan. And to Liz. Ito yung ganda talagang mag-comment. Napakahabang mag-comment talaga ni Liz. Talagang na-appreciate talaga namin yan. Chill lang po si Master Char, pero ang daliri ni Master Chan, super nangangalay na. Pinsan po nila ang lalaking kumukuha ng video. Ma-imagine nyo po kung paano si Ma'am Lenny cheer up sa kanilang mga anak habang tumutugtog. Kaya ngiting-ngiti ang mga kids kung makaharap sa camera kasi andyan si Ma'am Lenny. Kaya banding jamming lang talaga nila ang bawat production. By the way, isa po sa inspiring na video nila ay cover nilang ng kanta So Young ng The Course. Okay? Kasi improvised percussion lang si Master Dudes, pero ang boses ni Master Char ay parang chorus. The Course. Ito po yung link. Baka pwede nyo rin pong magawa ng reaction. Maraming salamat po sa isa na namang napakagandang reaction ng ating pinakamamahal na banda ng bayan. That is our Franz Rida. And shoutout ng bangga to Lero. Tama po ba pagpasa ko dito? Lore Tori Vadillo. Uy! Ano ba? And Renante de Lombard. Mega shoutout po. Hello, thank you so much naman yung mga pa-comment and pag-subscribe sa channel na ito ha. Maraming salamat. And to Eugene Solicar. Good afternoon, Ma'am. Try Mo Dreams by Cranberries. Ganda din ng pagka-cover ng Francine. For sure, isa sa mga nasa listahan na natin yan. And user OC3WR8 by 6J. Hello, shoutout and to Virgilio Darantiniao. 9832. Idol, sana mapansin mo ako. Mapa-shoutout man lang at mapansin niyo yung comment ko. Idol, paki-reaction naman. What's up? The cover ng banda ng bayan. Hello, Virgil or Virgilio. Kasi sa Bisaya parang Virgilio yun siya. Kung tama po ba ako? But shoutout, thank you so much sa inyong mga magagandang comment and of course inyong pagsuporta sa amin ni P-Prod o kung saan man napopost ang aking mga video. Maraming salamat po. And right now guys, we have another reaction video that is your request. Dito nyo mapapanood yan sa P-Prod. At hindi na natin patatagalin pa ito. At this is entitled by To Love Somebody. No other than covered by our friends and read them. Let's go and hear it and play screen. Ano? Uy.
There's a light, a certain kind of light that never shone on me.
Ito kasi kaka-react ko lang po ng kanina nag-react ako ng kanilang original song. And doon is iba yung boses na binigay ni Tatay Franz. And right now, iba na naman yung flavor na binigay niya dito sa To Love Somebody. Sa umpisa pa lang for intro, yung bagsakan nila bongga ha, Dodsa, grabe galing ha. And with Chen and Charles, yung pa-intro ng, keyboard and oo, 'pag ganyan-ganyan. Sa amin kasi sa Bisaya is parang gitik-gitik sa gitara. I don't know how you know how to, ay kayo na mag-translate ano 'yan? Sa'min is gitik-gitik gitara, gano'n. Sa kanila galing, galing talaga.
I want my life to be to live with you, live with you.
Ay, no.
There's a way.
Uh-huh. Yun lang.
Everybody say,
Yeah.
do it in every little thing. But what good does it bring if I ain't got you?
Ooh. Ay, wait lang. But napansin ko dito na mas bagay wait lang difference na-post ko. Sorry. Pero kasi nakuha yung mata ko kay Chen. Grabe ang puti niya dito, promise. At yung hairstyle na ganito, tapos yung light talagang nakita yung mukha niya, mukha ni Char, ni Dudes, at ni Thai Friends. Galing na setup. Ngayon ko lang siya mas na ano, nakita yung kagandahan talaga niya. Grabe yung puti. Puti talagang babaeng ito, ang ganda. Grabe. Oh, dun na.
Got you, baby. You don't
Ah,
know what it's like.
yung itik ko, yung harmony.
Baby, you don't know what it's like
Ooh,
to love somebody,
magaling.
love somebody. Hey, I love you.
Panalo yung
In my brain, I see your face again.
uh-huh.
I know my brain is mine. You ain't got to be so blind. No, I'm blind. So blind. I'm a man.
Oo. Ah,
Can't you see what I am?
dito na banda guys, talagang, 'tong banda na 'to na nakaka-proud. Super. Yung kantahan nila sorry may ano, may sabit. Ganito na setup, yung ganito na kanta, sobrang chill lang 'no, parang parang ikaw din, eh, parang hindi ikaw yung nagda-drums parang gusto mo na ding magda-drums, gusto mo na ding magpa-bass.
I live and breathe for you.
Wow, ano,
Then what good does it do
may touch it.
if I ain't got you? Ain't got you, babe. You don't know what it's like, baby. You don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. Yeah.
Yan naman talaga yung nahahabang wait lang guys, post natin. Tingnan niyong mabuti yung daliri ni Chen. Grabe. Oo, yun yung tawag sa'min ginigitik-gitik ang gitara, Diyos ko naunsa na day kahod ba. Ay!
Don't know what
Oh,
it's like,
nice.
baby. You don't know what it's like
Sabi galing.
to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you.
Oh.
Yeah. You don't know what it's like, baby. You don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you.
mga tugtugan na gusto ko talaga yung lalo na 'pag nasa beach ka lang tapos ganitong mga chill na tugtog. Grabe ang galing.
Maybe you don't know what it's like to love somebody,
Ay na
to love somebody the way I love
Uy.
you.
Oh, 'di ba? Galing.
Thank you guys.
Ay, that is our friends Rhythm. Ay, dito na cover song. Excuse me po. Dito nakanta kasi maraming bagsakan. So, hindi lang po 'yan sa bagsakan na rapper, gano'n, 'di ba, bagsakan daw. Meaning po din sa may bagsakan din dito sa ano, eh, yung mga ganyan-ganyan na pak, 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 mga gano'n. Pak, pak, pak talaga. 'Yun, ang galing. So, walang, lumabis, walang nagkulang sabay, and of course, the harmony naman, uy, talaga naman 'pag sasabing nating France Rhythm, of course, it's given the harmony is there. Parang ine-expect na meron talagang magaganap niyan. And of course, ang ating simpleng-simple lang yung ginawa ni Char o to give some melody of the song, and with that, ay Franz, ang galing talaga naman 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 naman. Grabe naman yun. Grabe naman talaga ang galing na mag-bass guitar. And of course, ang ating Master Chen. Ah, mag gitik-gitik. Basta gitik-gitik sa amin yun. Hindi ko alam sa mga Tagalog, eh. So, sobrang galing, napaka-chill lang. So, baliktad yung kanina. Kanina yung mga na-react ko na kasabay ko pag-react nito. So, sobrang emotion naman yun at iba naman yung binigay. Today with another cover song. That is your request, and that is granted na po. Your request granted. Thank you so much, guys. Everyone, sa mga bago pa po dito sa ating P-Prod, don't forget to share, comment, and of course, subscribe and like, and leave your comments, your suggestion na videos para gawan po natin ang reaction video. Thank you once again. And God bless everybody. And this is Karen Young with P Production. God bless and bye-bye today. Bye-bye.